Roger, Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Tower Piedmont 5969, ILS of Victor 17.
Piedmont 5969, Philly Tower, runway 17, clear to land.
17 clear to land, Piedmont 5969.
SF5 ident. SF5, I didn't see ident. Are you squawking the company?
Yes, SF5, A-Farm, just clear the trees right now. Continuing north to 95.
Okay, just F5, I got your radar contact 2 to the west. Traffic about a mile to your west eastbound, Airbus setting at 8.
Just F5, sir.
American 2165, helicopter traffic, listen out about 400 feet passing off your left now, they're northbound, or northeastbound.
Alright, we're looking now, American 2165.
Just F5, you're cleared through the Philly Class Bravo. Traffic's on a 2-mile final for runway 17 in Embraer.
That's just F5, because traffic will see north of 95 till we get through here. Just F5 has traffic straight off 12 o'clock, left or right.
Just F5, Roger, just pass by that traffic, thanks.
Yes, F5, okay. Hey, that helicopter, we're converging pretty close for Piedmont 5969.
Piedmont 5969, I'm sorry, say again?
That helicopter's coming right at us here.
They have you in sight, they're going to pass behind you.
Doesn't look like it's 5969.
It says he'll pass a mile and 3/4 behind you.
Nah, it doesn't look like we're going around from Piedmont 5969.
Alright, Piedmont 5969, Roger, go around, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000.
Runway heading up to 3000, Piedmont 5969.
Piedmont 5969, now fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000.
Runway heading up to 3000, Piedmont 5969.
Piedmont 5969, contact approach 124.35.
2435, 5969.
Jeff Step 5, you can proceed on course.
Departure Piedmont 5969 on the go, 2.6 to 3000, runway heading.
Piedmont 5969, Philadelphia departure radar contact, and you can expect ILS Victor runway 9, alright?
5969.
Jeff Step 5, landing at your own risk, radar service terminated for exchange group.
Yes, Step 5, thanks.
Piedmont 5969, what was the reason?
That helicopter was looking pretty close to us, Piedmont 5969.
Okay, Piedmont 5969, turn right, heading 260, vector to final.
Right, 260, vector final, Piedmont 5969.